Hello again, welcome to Mastercam course, and that lecture we can click divide options. We can also see the trim and break options here. I can click the trim options, and then I just need to select the side and we would like to get rid of. Okay, this is the main idea behind the divide options. This is the easiest way to trim your wireframe. We can also use the break like this. I just need to click like this. Okay, this is the divide options. I can use the under and new line, maybe created like this. Okay, I'm sure that it is clear right now. We can easily use and divide options. Okay, and what else can we use here? We can also use the join entities. Of course, before that we need to split our line or arc. It doesn't important. We can click here and we can use trim entities or trim point options here. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, like this. Okay, after that maybe we can get that kind of stuff, and by using the reverse engineering maybe. After that we can use the join entities, and then I will need to select all my line like this and use the end selection and click the OK button, and then we're gonna see that that's all one part. This is the join entities. We can also turn here, this is the modify length. Okay, I can write here 5. If I am click here, it means that we're gonna extend that line 5 inches. This is inch right now. So we can also use shorten options or lengthen options. So I need to hit the blue OK button, and then maybe we should write 3 here and make them shorten. If I am clicking anywhere, it's gonna make them shorten. Okay, and we can also use that stuff actually by using the break options. For example, I can write here 1 and click here and maybe click here, so it's easy to break line like this. Okay, and that's it. Everything seems fine. We can handle it. Okay, this is the divide, join entities, and modify length options.